Stars like the Sun are incredibly long-lived and stable. Our best estimate for the age of the universe is 13.73 billion years, and the Sun has been around for 5 billion years of that. That's more than a third the age of the universe itself. So what possible power source could allow the Sun to shine with such intensity day after day for 5 billion years? The best way to find the answer is to go back to the very beginning. And it all began from, well, pretty much nothing. There was a time when this corner of the galaxy was without light. The Sun had yet to begin. The story of how our star was born can be read in the night sky. If you take a picture of the Milky Way, then one of the first things you notice are these dark lines, these dark clouds running through it, an absence of stars. And in fact, those dark areas are called molecular clouds. They're clouds of molecular hydrogen and dust that are lying in between us and the stars of the Milky Way galaxy. These dark clouds contain the raw material from which stars are made. Vast stellar nurseries that are amongst the coldest and most isolated places in the galaxy. In the centre of some of those clouds, the temperature is as low as 10 degrees above absolute zero. Now that matters because temperature is a measure of how fast things are moving. So in these clouds, the clumps of hydrogen and dust are moving very slowly. Only in this extreme cold can gravity grab hold of the cloud's constituent particles. Over millennia, they begin to condense. That means that the weak force of gravity can take over and begin to clump the hydrogen together. Now we have a name for clumps of hydrogen collapsing under their own gravity: stars. So as those clouds of hydrogen collapse further and further under the force of gravity, they begin to heat up, and eventually, in their cores, they become hot enough for the hydrogen to begin to fuse together into helium. The stars ignite, the clouds are no longer black, and the life cycle of a new star has begun. This very story played out 5 billion years ago, when a star was born that would come to be known as the Sun. And its birth reveals the secret of our star's extraordinary resources of energy, because the Sun, like every other star, was set alight by the most powerful known force in the universe. The fusion of hydrogen into helium is the foundation of all the Sun's power. Boundless energy that reaches out and connects this wonder to all of the worlds in its realm.